You have 10 KD, my friend. Ayo, what is your KD, my friend? Let me see your KD. Oh, you're so good, my friend. That's in my very first time. That's my KD, 1 KD. But it's okay that. No problem. You have cheat, my friend.
No.
Why you kill me? Why you kill me?
Gak ada cheat. Saya gak ada.
I'm good, but if a full squad come to kill me, I don't know how to do it. So if you want to show you watch my TikTok, my friend,
Bang,
I have a lot of
you
what?
speak in Indo? You speak in Indo?
Indonesia, maybe someday. I don't know
You
how
speak in Indo?
I don't know how to speak Indo, but let
Nanti maaf.
let me listen your Indo. Try it if I understand. Oh, this is my friend, Jelly. Pinoy number 1. It's a Pinoy number 1, my friend.
Are you gonna play?
No, ma'am. No, next time. Po. Sige po. Oh, you know that is you hear that, my friend? They're inviting me because I'm a pro. Hey.
No. Gak ada itu.